Beta, welcome to Maheshwari chemistry classes. Already I explained in previous classes some of the important questions. Who have surface chemistry, solutions, electrochemistry, only these three topics, for them only this question. So listen carefully. What is fuel cell and write about its example and construction like SAQ. So fuel cell, it is a device, actually it is an electrochemical cell beta. So here what happens, chemical energy is converted into the electrical energy. So best example is hydrogen oxygen fuel cell construction. Okay, so here a fuel cell consists of carbon electrodes. These are the carbon electrodes beta, placed in a sodium nitroxide or potassium nitroxide solution. This is the electrolytic solution. One side we have to take oxygen gas, another side we have to take a hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas inletting pipe and oxygen gas inletting pipe. Hydrogen gas and oxygen gas both are inletting here, and through these pores, here small pores are present. So these pores it enter into this electrolytic solution and forms the water. Okay, so next cathode. Oxygen work like cathode, hydrogen works like anode. Cathode involves in reduction reaction, right? Means it addition with the four electrons and some amount of water also required here, and it converts like a 4OH minus. Next anode, it takes place oxidation, nothing but electrons liberation. So here hydrogen gas work like a anode, so it added with the 4OH minus ions and liberate the 4 moles of water and 4 electrons. For this purpose we have to write a net reaction. Okay, so hydrogen gas and oxygen gas, sorry, one more point, these reactant side and product side which are same we have to cut it. So here 2 moles of water in the place of 4, 2 gets cancelled. Next here 4OH minus, here 4OH minus gets cancelled. Then we have to write what remaining, that is a net reaction. 2 moles of hydrogen gas and 1 mole of oxygen gas, both are react with each other and forms 2 moles of water. This is in the form of liquid. These are reactants in the form of gases. Remember beta. Okay, time is less beta, that is why I am telling fast. So please try to understand my situation. When we use platinum or palladium catalyst, rate of electrode increases. Okay, here we have to utilize catalyst. What is that beta? Either it may be platinum or palladium. Next, hydrogen and oxygen gas reacts and forms the water. That's it, already I explained, right? It is more successful cell. Okay, this is a successful fuel cell. Why? Because wastage percentage is very less. That is why. So this is a successful fuel cell. Okay. Next, Faraday first lab purpose. Some of the students are asking about the problem and question. So in previous video already I explained. Once again you have to check it and take a screenshot for this. Okay. And this is a fuel cell definition and hydrogen oxygen fuel cell purpose. Okay, combinedly they will give as a SAQ, or individually they can give as a VSAQ, right? Next question, galvanic cell. Actually it is SAQ. Here syllabus is less, only 3 units I gave, right? So that is why now I can consider as a LAQ. So first we have to write about the construction. What are the electrodes? What is the electrolytic solution? What about the salt bridge? Like that we have to write. So 2 electrodes are dipped in 2 kinds of electrolytic solutions. Copper electrode work like cathode. Zinc electrode work like a anode. This zinc dipped in the zinc sulfate solution, copper dipped in the copper sulfate solution. Both are connected with the circuit, and these electrolytic solutions are connected with the salt bridge. Okay, this salt bridge actually it is prepared with the potassium nitrate solution in agar agar gel. Okay, actually it is a pipe. What is that? Potassium nitrate